Iberpotash is the mine of Surya, and it is the most productive mines of the world. Iberpotash is one of the mines which extracts salt and potash. It is an international mine and sells its product to all the world. Surya has 3 wells. A lot of people who lives in Surya has the chance to work in the mine or in the office. In the year 2012 was the centenary of the potash, and some of the workers of Surya went to Cursal of Manresa to celebrate it.
An average of 1,200 people work there, and 140,000 tons of salt and 900,000 tons of potash are extracted every year. We were going to interview some of the people who work at the mine of Surya. Alba Gomez, the head of communication of Iberpotash, and Ana Pesarrodona, an engineer from the mine.
Do you think that Iberpotash will have a good future?
Yes, I think that Iberpotash will have a good future because the production of salt and potash is improving.
Do you think that the mine is safe?
We can say that the mine is safe totally because there were some accidents, but there aren't much accidents and the machines are safe.
Do you think that there's enough production?
Yes, there is. And we sell our products to a lot of countries.
How much salt or potash is extracted from the mine every year?
Every year is extracted 900,000 of potash and 1,800,000 of salt.
And we will have salt or potash for many years?
Yes, I think that we will have salt and potash from another 100 years more.
Do you like working at Iberpotash, and why?
Yes, because the crisis hasn't affected the mine and I found a job that I really like.
For what is potash used for?
Potash is used as a fertilizer.
How many years have you been working for the mine?
I've been working for the mine.
Do you like working at Iberpotash?
Yes,
Why?
because we are like a family and I met a lot of friends.
Which is your job?
I'm one of the engineers of Iberpotash. We measure and calculate the space of the gallery that we have to perforate.